It is the death sentence for two desert men convicted of killing an Indio man back in 2008. KMIR-6's Adriana Weingold was in the courtroom today and joins us now in studio with more. Adriana.
That's right. Daniel Cervantes and Carlos Contreras are headed for death row, convicted of carjacking, robbing, and murdering a 55-year-old Indio man. Families of both the victim and murderers sat and listened as the jury read their sentence: death for both Daniel Cervantes and Carlos Contreras, the two men convicted of slaying 55-year-old Daniel Kuzawa back in 2008. Kuzawa's wife, Esther.
Dan was murdered almost 5 years ago, and it's just been very difficult losing him and living without him and wondering if justice would ever be done. No matter what kind of justice is done, it's still not enough.
It's the end of a long journey for family and friends who say they finally have closure.
It's really a sad day for everyone, but there is two good things that came of this, and that's knowing that these two will never be able to victimize anybody else again.
In a final attempt to get their client's sentence lowered, Cervantes' lawyers asked for a mental evaluation. His family clearly heartbroken, while family and friends of the victim, Daniel Kuzawa, celebrate justice.
I know he was begging for his life, when they killed him. That it really hurts that somebody could just do that. And to Dan, of all people, who is just the nicest person, you can't help but love him.
Now, even though attorneys for Cervantes asked that their client's mental status be reevaluated, he's still scheduled to be in court for the final sentencing April 12th. Contreras' sentencing has been scheduled for April 26th. Back to you.
All right.